I guess I found it.
Shoo! Oil valuations collapse!
Sammy, did you lose the TV remote again?
Yes, I was watching economy news. I didn't get a thing. It's something about oil.
Well, that's interesting because I'm working on an anti-crisis project. A Tesla electric car.
Oh.
A small model, actually.
Sue, we're on the threshold of a new craft. Elon Musk would appreciate it. Let's go.
Hello, everyone. I'm really interested in the eco-friendly lifestyle, and today I wanted to make an electric car.
Sounds cool, but I don't get the difference between electric cars and ordinary ones.
Oh, I can tell you a lot about electric cars.
Sue, I cut out one thing here. I think you'll need it. You can make a window!
Sure, but first we'll remove the upper cardboard layer. There. Now this piece is more flexible, see? Guys, be careful working with sharp tools. You'd better ask an adult to help you. Now let's remove the extra parts. We'll make a hood out of it. Shall we use magic? Voila! Sammy, what do you want to know about electric cars?
But why are they eco-friendly?
Well, that's simple. You see, gas vehicles produce exhaust fumes. They pollute the atmosphere, while electric cars do not. That's why I like electric cars more than gas ones. Guys, give a thumbs up if you also think about ecology.
Sue, why do you need these sticks? Will it be a super electro wooden mechanism?
No, sticks are not for this. Dry wood is not a good conductor. I need sticks to make the car's body sturdier.
Sue, tell me about the license. Can't I really just get in and drive?
Counter question. Can you drive a car?
What's so difficult? Turn the wheel, push the pedal, and go.
Okay, another question. Do you know the traffic rules?
Easy peasy. Give way to pedestrians and stop at the red lights.
Sammy, it's all easy with you. To get a license, you have to know all the road signs and the way you should act while driving. Also, you have to know the structure of a car. How to drive it, how to park it.
I'm a mozzarella. I didn't know it was so boring.
Well, it only seems boring. You'll learn to drive and remember all the traffic rules easily. Then it'll be easy peasy. You only need to make the effort once.
Not today, Sue. Not today.
Well, today you're going to help me with the craft and then I'll teach you how to drive.
Will it be like a PlayStation game?
Yes, you can practice in the meantime. And I have a special task for you. Cut many cardboard circles, please.
That's a job for me and no rules. Ha-ha!
Personally, I like rules. It always feels better when you know for sure what to do. Also, I really like new subscribers on our channel, so subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, here I'll glue several pieces to secure the body. These cardboard pieces will hold the sides of our electric car. Do you think Sam's handled the circles? Because the car's body is ready. Time to make the wheels. Whoa, Sammy, you look like an Oreo.
I didn't get how they stuck to me. I remember I was cutting them. Then I tried a woolen scarf on, walked on a carpet.
Oh, you just got static electricity. It happens. That's why small paper objects stick to you.
Holy cannoli, does that mean I'm an electro car now?
An electro slime. How do you like that nickname?
Did I get a superpower? I'm like Magneto from X-Men. Sorry, Susie, I've got many magnetic things to do. I'll call Samantha and surprise her.
Oh, I doubt that. Samantha knows you way too well. The wheels are ready. Let's upgrade them. Voila! Your car is officially souped up. It's time for the most important thing. Motors, which will make our car move.
The most important? I can't miss that.
I can see your static electricity tests were successful.
Yes, I am the king of electricity and magnetism.
Oh, do you know who was the real master of electricity? Nikola Tesla. So now we're going to make the black wheel axle. There will be no motor for the front wheels. The back ones will do the leading.
Wait, what did you say about that Tesla superhero?
No, Sammy, he's not a superhero, although I'd argue that.
Tell me more. Is he cooler than Magneto?
He's a very famous scientist of the past. Many modern things are based on his inventions. Tesla's discoveries are used in cosmetology, TV, and radio broadcasting. Oh, they say it was he who invented the first electric motor. Its construction is very close to the modern one, while Elon Musk introduced that design into the modern car. Personally, I think that electric motors are a real miracle. By the way, we'll put this exact kind of motor in our car.
Oh, now I get why Elon Musk called his electro car Tesla. I'll go read about Tesla. Looks like he's really cooler than Magneto.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree that science is cool. We've made the main part of the car, so now it's time for the little pieces. Here we'll make the doors that will open up, but first, let's set a simple door. Carefully insert it here. It will let the doors move easily. If you have any trouble, you can ask an adult to help. Let's put the door separator right here. By the way, our car is almost eco-friendly. Cardboard and wood aren't harmful for nature, while metal and plastic parts of the engine we'll use for a long time. So let's make the cool doors for our cardboard car. These are pistons. They'll lift up the doors when needed.
I found something incredible! Electro cars appeared before gas vehicles.
Yes! In 1828, a Hungarian inventor built a cart with an electric engine.
I thought electric cars were invented recently.
The first electro car appeared a long time ago, but it couldn't reach high speeds, and it didn't look that presentable. That's why the internal combustion engine on petrol conquered the whole world.
I wish electricity had won. The electro heroes' time has come. Whoa!
Right. Did you learn anything new about Tesla?
Oh, a lot. Apparently he could teleport things and control lightning bolts.
Oh, well, that's not officially proven, Sammy. It's hypothetical.
Well, I believe it. I think Tesla's cooler than not just Magneto, but Professor Xavier.
That's the highest superhero compliment from Sam.
Yes, while watching various videos, I made these pieces for ya. It seemed you were missing something. Then I understood I wasn't imagining things.
Thank you, Sammy. Let's glue them. Stop. In a real car, you'd see passengers, of course, but our main hero today is the inner mechanism.
And Nikola Tesla, and me, and Magneto, and Elon Musk.
Let's attach these two wooden pieces to make sure the door holds well. There. It will open and close easily. We'll use the same principle to make the back doors.
Guys, don't forget about safety. Ask an adult to help. They like crafting too.
Voila! We're at the finish line.
Susie, I'm ready for great deeds. I even made a costume. What do you say?
Want me to guess who you are?
Well, try.
All right, Optimus Prime?
No, too obvious. Try again.
Iron Man? Magneto?
Nope, and nope. Is that so difficult?
Well, I give up then, Sammy.
These are Tesla car pieces. I'm Nikola Tesla.
Oh, Nikola Tesla was a simple man, only a very smart one.
Sue, you know nothing about superheroes.
I sure don't. Here we put a micro USB slot. Our mini Tesla car will be charged using the same slot as a smartphone. It's time to glue the bumpers. Remember to be careful when using a hot glue gun. First goes the back bumper. There. Carefully. And now the front one. Up. Great.
Now let's decorate the car with bright headlamps.
Oh, yeah. Check out the headlamps we got. Cool, right?
I made one thing here. I've locked up the electricity here.
Oh, awesome! The power bank's inside. Our car will have electricity for a really long time. Let's leave the car to charge, then we'll take it on a test drive. So, Sammy, it's time for a test drive. Meet the first product of Sue and Sam Tesla Car Limited.
Incredible, eco-friendly electric car.
Wow, it's so cool, and no exhaust fumes.
Give it to me, please. I want to try.
Sure, partner. I won't even ask if you have a driver's license.
Not yet, but I'll learn to drive with this high-tech car.
Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Say bye for me, Sue. I'm driving. I can't get distracted.
Bye on behalf of Sammy. See you soon.